We'll start with the initial disassembly and filter cleaning process for your Black & Decker portable air conditioner. This is the most important maintenance task you can perform. Safety is our top priority. Before beginning any maintenance, always unplug the unit from the electrical outlet. This prevents electrical shock and ensures your safety during the cleaning process. Next, locate the air filters on your unit. Most Black & Decker portable air conditioners have filters behind the front panel. Some models require removing screws, while others have simple release tabs or clips. Here's how to remove the filter. Gently pull or unclip the filter from its housing. Handle it carefully, as accumulated dust and debris can fall out during removal. Clean the filters thoroughly using lukewarm water and a soft brush. Gently scrub away dust, dirt, and debris. For heavily soiled filters, you can use mild detergent. Avoid harsh chemicals or high-pressure water that could damage the filter material. After cleaning, allow the filters to dry completely before reinstalling them. This is crucial. Wet filters can promote mold growth and reduce air quality. Place them in a well-ventilated area or in sunlight for faster drying. Regular filter cleaning is essential for optimal performance. Clean your filters every 1 to 2 weeks during heavy use or monthly during lighter use. This prevents the unit from overworking and maintains efficient cooling while extending the life of your air conditioner. Remember to consult your user manual for model-specific instructions, as filter locations and removal methods can vary between different Black & Decker portable air conditioner models. When basic filter cleaning doesn't restore your air conditioner's performance, it's time for advanced coil cleaning. This process requires more disassembly but can significantly improve cooling efficiency. Safety is paramount. Always unplug the unit completely before beginning any disassembly work. This protects both you and the equipment from electrical hazards. The outer casing is typically secured with screws located on the sides and back of the unit. You'll need a screwdriver to carefully remove these screws. Keep track of all screws, as you'll need them for reassembly. Once the casing is removed, you'll have access to the coils. These delicate metal fins can accumulate significant dust and debris. Start by using a vacuum with a soft brush attachment to gently remove loose particles. For stubborn buildup that vacuuming can't remove, use a specialized coil cleaner. Follow the product instructions carefully. Spray evenly and allow the cleaner to work as directed before rinsing if required. Be extremely gentle when cleaning coils. The metal fins are delicate and can be easily bent or damaged. Damaged fins reduce airflow and cooling efficiency. Work slowly and carefully to preserve their shape. After cleaning, allow all components to dry completely before reassembly. Moisture can cause electrical problems and corrosion. This drying step is crucial for safe operation. Important warning: disassembling your air conditioner may void the manufacturer's warranty. Check your warranty terms before proceeding. If you're uncomfortable with this process or lack experience, it's best to consult a qualified HVAC technician.